Are you looking for the best treadmills under $300 in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best treadmills under $300 that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fitness Reality TR1000. We know that treadmills can be expensive. That's why we've included a budget pick on our list. The Fitness Reality TR1000 comes with all the features you need to optimize your workout but at a lower cost. This cheap treadmill has a strong and stable construction made with powder-coated steel to prevent wear. It won't shift while you work out because it has a non-slip base. The handlebars are wider so you can grab the front or sides to keep you stable while you exercise. These handlebars are covered with soft non-slip foam that provides cushioning for the hands. It's effortless to set the incline on the Fitness Reality TR1000. The two inclines of 6 degree and 10 degree are best to tone and strengthen the muscles in your legs. Moving on at number 4. We have the Myrtisol 1100W Folding Treadmill. The Myrtisol 1100W treadmill is perhaps the most elegant-looking treadmill under $300. It comes in a complete black construction with both matte and gloss finishes. This is our best value product on our review list because of all the extra features it comes with. The treadmill is a space-saving unit so you can work out in smaller spaces. The Murtisol can be folded compactly so you can store it, which is ideal if you're living in a small apartment. The construction of this treadmill has a smart design that offers exercise enthusiasts optimal safety. You have convenient handlebar control which allows you to change speeds without moving your hands. You can run or walk without the fear of losing your balance when changing your speed settings. The steel construction is sturdy, robust and effortless to set up. At number 3, we have the MaxCare electric treadmill. The MaxCare is our pick for the best motorized treadmill on our list. This is because it comes with a powerful 1.5 HP motor which is temperature resistant and conserves energy. MaxCare's treadmill has an LCD display that provides the ultimate treadmill control and handling. The large LCD screen shows real-time speed, distance and calories burned. View your heart rate by taking hold of the handrails so you can monitor your health throughout your routine. Adjust your speed effortlessly with the quick 2 speed changes from 3 to 6. These speed adjustments allow you to run faster for a more challenging workout. MaxCare manufactured this treadmill with an iPad holder so you can listen to music or watch videos while you exercise. At number 2, we have the ProGear 190. The ProGear 190 is our editor's choice because of all the beneficial features it has. This treadmill's construction is incredibly sturdy, lightweight and compact. It's made with a strong steel frame that's powder-coated to prevent wear. The handlebars are wider for added safety. You're able to grip the bars on the side or in front of you for stability. These handlebars are covered in soft foam which is non-slip for a firmer grip. The foam is gentle on the hands so you don't get calluses when you're working out. It's easier for you to set the incline on the ProGear 190 so you can have a more challenging workout. There are 2 incline settings of 6 degree and 10 degree. The roller belts on the treadmill are oversized so you have a consistent and smooth walking experience. And finally at number 1. We have the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT1407M. People think that motorized treadmills provide the best workouts, but the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT1407M proves that manual treadmills can be as effective as any motorized unit. This is the best manual treadmill on the market because of its excellent cardio benefits. It helps you increase your blood circulation, strengthens your muscles and improves balance. The Sunny and Fitness treadmill has a compact structure that can fold up easily for storage. Its handles are ergonomically designed for a sure grip. These handles are covered with soft materials to prevent calluses from forming on your hands. You get a large running surface of 42 inches by 13 inches for safety. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.